You can write also the change of variable taking alpha x equal to new variable say y, and you can write that limit y tends to 0 e to the power y minus 1 divided by y whole into alpha, like this. Here I have divided the numerator and denominator by x. Can I do this? Yes. As x tends to a, therefore x is non-zero. I can divide both numerator by x. Mention here since x not equal to 0. Here I find x tends to 2, and at the denominator there is x minus 2. Therefore we have to change the variable. Move to sum number 3. Given limit is equal to, I first write the numerator like this, limit x tends to 0 e to the power alpha x minus 1 plus e to the power beta x minus 1. At the numerator there is minus 2. I can write that as sum of minus 1, and I take first minus 1 with e to the power alpha x and second one with e to the power beta x by x is equal to limit x tends to 0 e to the power alpha x minus 1 by x plus limit x tends to 0 e to the power beta x minus 1 by x. Now e to the power alpha x, I write here alpha x into multiply it by whole by alpha, like this, and this is beta x, this is beta x, multiply whole by beta. You can write also the change of variable taking alpha x equal to new variable say y, and you can write that limit y tends to 0 e to the power y minus 1 divided by y whole into alpha, like this. Therefore finally alpha into 1 plus beta into 1, result is alpha plus beta. That is the answer. Next, number 4. I rub this one. Actually, this is also taken to the standard limit, but let me deduce this one. How we get the result? Number 4, limit x tends to 0 a to the power x minus 1 by x. Limit x tends to 0 a to the power x. If I write taking e as base, then it will be e to the power x log a minus 1. E to the power x log a, that is equal to a to the power x. Here I have written ln. Note the symbol. ln is equivalent to log of a to the base e. This one. Log of a to the base e is written in this form, ln form. Actually this is natural logarithm that is represented by this symbol, which is discovered by John Napier. Log of a to the base e, natural logarithm ln a. Now in place of x, I write x log a whole into log a. Now limit y tends to 0 e to the power y minus 1 by y into log a. Here I have changed the variable taking x log a equal to y, therefore y tends to 0 as x tends to 0. Therefore, finally, this is standard limit 1 into log a log a. Therefore, limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 divided by x equal to log of a to the base e, or written in this form log a. This is also treated as standard limit. Now I move to number 5. Limit x tends to 0, numerator 2 to the power 3x minus 1, denominator 3 to the power 2x minus 1. Now I shall use here this form, standard form, log of limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 divided by x. I write here this one will be treated after this as standard limit. Therefore, I write this limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power 3x minus 1 whole by x, 3 to the power 2x minus 1 whole by x. Here I have divided the numerator denominator by x. Can I do this? Yes. As x tends to a, therefore x is non-zero. I can divide both numerator by x. Mention here since x not equal to 0. Now this is of the form limit x tends to 0 fx by gx, that will be equal to limit x tends to 0 fx divided by limit x tends to a gx. Limit x tends to 0, 2 to the power 3x means 8 to the power x minus 1 by x by limit x tends to 0, 3 to the power 2x means 3 square whole to the power x means 9 to the power x, 9 to the power x minus 1 by x. That means of the form limit x tends to 0, a to the power x minus 1 by x means log of a, log of 8, and this is log of 9, and log of 8 means log 2 cube, and this is log 3 square, 3 log 2 by 2 log 3. Log 2 by 2 log 3. Therefore, answer is this one. Let me check whether I have written correctly. Next, I have another one, number 6. For that, I just grab this one. Here I find x tends to 2, and at the denominator there is x minus 2. Therefore, we have to change the variable. Put x minus 2 equal to y. Therefore, y tends to 0 as x tends to 2. Therefore, given limit is equal to limit y tends to 0, x is equal to y plus 2 e to the power y plus 2 minus square by y. Limit y tends to 0. This is e to the power y into square minus square by y. Square is the common factor that is taken outside square into limit y tends to 0 e to the power y minus 1 divided by y. Therefore, this is square into 1. The result is square. I have worked out so many sums. On next standard limits, in the next class I will work out more sums on other 2 standard limits.